Monday's short, accurate, positive in important news. The spokesman of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, Maulay Zabiullah Mujahid, says, the Special Forces of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan arrested the person who fired shots at the Pakistan embassy last Friday. This person is a citizen of foreign country and member of Daesh, also known as Khawarij. The Afghanistan Bank says a cash package of $40 million has arrived and has been handed over to a commercial bank in Kabul. Acting Defense Minister meets with the President of the United Arab Emirates in Abu Dhabi. Maulavi Muhammad Yaqub Mujahid, Acting Minister of National Defense, following his meeting with the UAE officials, met with Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of the United Arab Emirates Government, at Al Shati Royal Palace in Abu Dhabi. The gravel work of the main road of Birmal district of Paktika is underway by the Ministry of Public Works. The delegation of the Ministry of National Defense visited Shahid Sardar Dawood Khan Hospital. The police of the 6th District of Kabul Police Command found the 3 robbed cars after tracking them and handed them over to their original owners. Ministry of Energy and Water. In Faryab province, the Baloch Serband project has progressed 95%. 600 civil service employees graduated from the Institute of the National Procurement Department. A public awareness gathering was held by Kabul municipality regarding the promotion of urban culture. The deputy commander of the 217th Umari Corps met with the governor of Kandahar. Maulavi Ataullah Umari, Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock, met with Richard Trenchard, representative of FAO in Afghanistan, Mrs. Natalia, representative of Agriculture of the World Bank, and Ramesh. Both sides discussed the continuation of mutual cooperation and the launch of new projects. The Acting Minister of Energy and Water, Mullah Abdul Latif Mansour, met with the officials of the Turkish 77 company.